When we think of countries, we often think of borders, flags, and people. But what about size? Today, we're counting down the 10 largest countries in the world by total land area. From frozen giants to forest-covered titans, desert empires, and endless steppes. And you won't believe how massive these places really are, or how wildly different their geography, climates, and populations can be. So buckle up, this is the true scale of planet Earth revealed. Number 10, Algeria. Located in North Africa, Algeria is the largest country on the African continent. Its total land area is about 2.38 million square kilometers. That's nearly the size of Greenland and over 9 times the size of the United Kingdom. Over 80% of Algeria is covered by the Sahara Desert. But it's not just endless sand, it's home to ancient Roman ruins, jagged mountain ranges, and even snow in the winter months. In 2017, snow actually fell on the Sahara Desert in Algeria, shocking locals and meteorologists alike. Number 9, Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan is a massive landlocked country in Central Asia, with a land area of 2.72 million square kilometers. That makes it the largest landlocked country in the world and bigger than all of Western Europe combined. The landscape is defined by open steppe, desert plains, and towering mountain ranges in the east. Kazakhstan was once part of the Soviet Union, and it's home to the Baikonur Cosmodrome, the launch site of the first human in space, Yuri Gagarin. Despite its size, Kazakhstan has a population smaller than the Netherlands, giving it one of the lowest population densities on Earth. Number 8, Argentina. Argentina covers 2.78 million square kilometers, making it the second largest country in South America. From the glaciers of Patagonia to the jungles of the north, it contains an incredible range of landscapes. It's home to the Andes Mountains, the world-famous Iguazu Falls, and the expansive Pampas grasslands. Buenos Aires, the capital, is known for its culture, music, and food. Argentina even claims a portion of Antarctica as its own territory and maintains several year-round research stations there. Number 7, India. India is the 7th largest country in the world by area, with 3.29 million square kilometers of land. But what really stands out is its population. As of 2023, India has overtaken China as the most populous country on Earth. Geographically, India has nearly every terrain possible. From the towering Himalayas in the north to the tropical beaches of the south, deserts in the west, and dense forests in the east. India's railway network is one of the largest in the world and employs over 1 million people. It's also home to hundreds of languages, religions, and cultural traditions. Number 6, Australia. Australia is both a country and a continent, with a land area of 7.69 million square kilometers. It's the only country that takes up an entire continent on its own. Most Australians live near the coasts. The center of the country, known as the Outback, is incredibly vast and sparsely populated. Australia is famous for its unique wildlife, the Great Barrier Reef, and its extreme weather. With just 3 people per square kilometer, it has one of the lowest population densities in the world. Number 5, Brazil. Brazil is the largest country in South America, covering 8.51 million square kilometers. It borders every South American country except Chile and Ecuador. The Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth, covers more than 60% of Brazil's territory and produces a significant portion of the world's oxygen. Brazil is also the most biodiverse country on the planet, with more known species of plants and animals than anywhere else. Number 4, United States. The United States, including Alaska and Hawaii, has a total land area of 9.83 million square kilometers. It's the 3rd most populous country and has the world's largest economy. Geographically, the U.S. has everything from Arctic tundra in Alaska to tropical beaches in Florida and Hawaii. It includes deserts, plains, mountains, and forests. The U.S. is also home to 63 national parks, including iconic places like the Grand Canyon, Yellowstone, and Yosemite. If you removed Alaska from the equation, the U.S. would fall to 5th place in size. Number 3, China. China has a land area of 9.6 million square kilometers and a population of over 1.4 billion, about 1 in every 5 humans alive today. Its geography is just as extreme as its population. Arid deserts in the west, lush river valleys in the east, towering mountains in the southwest, and bustling megacities like Shanghai and Beijing. The Great Wall of China stretches over 21,000 kilometers and would take over a year to walk from end to end. Number 2, Canada. Canada is the largest country in the Western Hemisphere, with a land area of 9.98 million square kilometers. Despite its massive size, nearly 90% of the land is uninhabited. Canada has more lakes than every other country combined and holds nearly 20% of the world's fresh water. It also has the longest coastline on Earth, stretching over 202,000 kilometers. From the Rockies to the Arctic tundra, Canada's landscape is wild, beautiful, and mostly untouched. Number 1, Russia. Russia is the largest country on Earth, with a staggering 17.1 million square kilometers of land. That's nearly twice the size of Canada. It spans 11 time zones and borders 16 different countries. Its geography includes tundra, taiga forests, massive rivers, and towering mountain ranges. Siberia alone accounts for about 3/4 of Russia's landmass, and it remains one of the most mysterious and remote regions on the planet. Despite its size, much of Russia remains sparsely populated, with large stretches of land untouched by modern development. And there you have it, the 10 largest countries in the world by land area. From deserts and jungles to glaciers and steppes, these nations define the size and diversity of our planet in ways few people ever realize. Which of these surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into global geography, be sure to subscribe for more eye-opening content. Thanks for watching.